Hey guys, today we're going to do an Aritzia unboxing and try on haul. $2,500 worth of clothes and I don't even know what in these two boxes from Aritzia. I love this website. I love this store. I went ahead and wore my Babton blazer. This is the one that Pamela Anderson was modeling when she just did a collaboration with them. I have on one of my favorite bras that is I think it's TNA. It's an exercise bra, but it looks really good under clothing. So let's get started. Okay, I have not even opened this. Oh my gosh, I do always like this about Aritzia. I've never seen one this big. It's like a big, cool bag that they put everything in. Oh my gosh, this one is heavy. This is going to be your more closet staples, very chic, very refined pieces. So let's get started with this. And this is the Group Babton, and it is a sweater. Oh yes, my favorite kind. Cropped, but just cropped enough so that it just hits your waistband with your pants. No tummy sticking out, but no awkward tuck in. And let's see what this is made of because it feels good. And I love, see, it has like the wide little waistband. I really feel like Aritzia is good quality. 100% cashmere. It feels like cashmere, but it feels like a little bit of a hardier cashmere. Like you could have told me it was a cashmere wool blend. It is interesting how cashmere can vary. So I would say this is along the lines of J. Crew, but it feels a little bit thicker, a little bit of a hardier cashmere. So this is the cozy weight, which is a mid-weight, and the fit is the boyfriend, which is relaxed pair of sweatpants. And again, even their basics are really nice. I think this is along the lines of J. Crew or Banana Republic, if you're wondering. I've only been in one Aritzia store, but I've always loved ordering online. So we will style these. If you missed my how to style sweatpants and sweatshirts, I will put that video up here, but you have to have a good pair of black sweatpants in your wardrobe. If black is not your thing, do navy blue or gray and even ivory and white. I love it. So I will be working with these soon. I kind of wanted to do an introductory to Aritzia. You know what I mean? Just like start out with a lot of their bestsellers, top rated. So this is a pair of their leggings, the TNA Butter. So this is going to be a lot like the Knitwear Beyond Zero line or your Lulu Align. Kind of like that feeling. This is the cheeky ankle high rise in small. And I would have to say that's what's going to be cheeky about it, is the way that it points down and it's supposed to just make your butt look good. So we will see. The next is a pair of black trousers. I have tried, and you know I love their Effortless pant. That is one of my favorite trousers, but I wanted to try something different. This is the Chisel Maxi. Let's see, blend of recycled polyester and Lensing Ecovero viscose, responsibly sourced. It's from Babton. Oh my gosh, this is a skirt. Oh, I'm excited about this. This is a longer pencil skirt, and then it does have the deep pleat in the back. I'll have to undo that. Where are my scissors here? I just undid that. I'm so bad about not doing that, but I don't think you could wear this skirt without undoing this. Has a good kick pleat in the back. I love this. Oh my God, look how it looks like trousers. Okay, this looks so good, and I'm so glad I got a 4 because it does look like it's gonna fit. I love the belt loops. Oh, we're gonna have fun with this one. Wow, a lot fits in this bag. This is a pair of trousers. This is the Alanya pant, full length, high rise, wide leg, and I got the size 6. I've gotten much better about reading the sizing. These are wool and cashmere. Lightweight wool and cashmere for a luxurious soft feel with a hint of stretch. Wow, okay, nice. And they have the elastic waist. I love this. And then the flat front. Wow. Okay, this is going to be a very classic staples, a great haul, a great styling video for those of you that like classic styles and conservative, just with a tiny bit of edge, very chic, very minimal, very the row. Oh, I can't wait. Feels like another pair of leggings. These are the TNA Butter Atmosphere Flare. So this is a pair of your flare leggings. I've got an old pair on today with this blazer just because I knew I was going to be crawling around the floor. These are the ones from Soma, but you can really style these beautifully with a sweater or a blazer, or these, your boots, and even a sweatshirt and your great big black overcoat or your faux fur. That will give you such a stylish look. So yeah, excited about these too. Something besides black. Denim. This is the 27, the Yoko High Rise Slim. And this is Denim Forum. I'm thinking this is their brand, the Aritzia brand of denim. They were $110, which is a great price for denim these days. They look good. They look like I'm glad I got a 27. And the length is 28. The fit is slim. And let's see, they feel cottony, which always remember, just because something's 100% cotton, it's not going to stretch, but it will give. Like when you hear people talking about wearing their denim 20 times before they wash it, it's usually going to be a pair of like Levi's, like 100% cotton. These are 98% cotton, 2% elastane. So they're going to have a little bit of give. Can't really feel it in the waist, but it's probably going to be perfect actually. Another little bralette, really cool. See how it's got the ribbed? I love like the little tiny straps, and it looks really pretty across the back. That is something that is different. It doesn't matter as much right now, but in the summer, sometimes with like a strappy dress, sometimes I'll just let the bralette show, and this would look so much better underneath it. Let's see what else is in here like that. This is my favorite bra. I've got this in black and nude, and I love this color. This is like a gray color. Love it. Very, very minimal. $25. This is the coal gray. This is the Tony Seamless, and this is going to be more of a plunge like that. I will probably just pop some pictures in here of these. Ooh. Speaking of the coal gray, this is from Babton, and it is a bodysuit with that really pretty squared off neckline and in the back. You don't always see it with it squared off in the back also. Looks really pretty. What size did I get? A small. So I would say it's a good, generous small, and really nice, double lined the whole way. That is such a good feature. Okay, another bodysuit, but this one is a deep V. I remember ordering this now because I thought this would be very flattering. I would just wear a simple bra that doesn't push you in unless you're wanting that, which, I mean, that's a look too, but love it and did get a small. It's from the Contour line. I know that Pamela Anderson did do a lot of things with the Contour line. It's really, really popular. Okay, this may be iffy. This is the same type of top in a crop. So this is the Babton Contour. First of all, it's double lined, I can already tell, and it's going to be snug, and it's made of a heavier weight fabric. So this may be good. You know what? I bet this would be good with some high-rise jeans or high-rise trousers. Sorry, sassy scratching in this box over here. And or just anything high-rise I would put this with. Something silky. Oh wow. This is a blouse. Love it. Look how simple but pretty it is. There's the sleeves, and heavy. I don't know if you can see like the weight. It is a heavy silky fabric, and it's got a little tie. You can't see it because it's wanting to hang in the back, but it does have the darts right here, and then this tie goes across the front. That is going to be beautiful. Oh my gosh, let's look at this. That is simply gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Wow, I mean, look at just how pretty, even the tag is pretty. Just beautiful, just a plain back, like quiet luxury. You could do anything with this shirt. You could put it with denim. You could put it with your trousers, put it with that skirt. I mean, this is one of those blouses. Look at the collar, how beautiful. And this stuff has been packed up for a while, and it's nice. It feels like a good weight. It's just beautiful. Love the color. What is this? A vest. You know, I love my vest. That is the coal gray, and I did go up to a 6 because I didn't want the buttons pulling. Look at that. I love gray. I think gray looks good on everyone. Brunettes, black, red, blonde hair, all color eyes. I just think gray is such a good color. And for those of you that don't like black all the time, mix in some gray. This is something, I already have one of these, but I wanted to compare it to this one to see the difference and if this one was just as good. And it feels just almost exactly like my other one. I have a girlfriend heavy denim blazer like this. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. I mean, this is beautiful. Aritzia premium denim, comes with extra buttons. I just did a little outfit of the day, so I'll put some pictures in here of the one I just got. This one might be a little nicer. We'll see, we'll have to compare the fit. So box number 2. This is also in the great big Aritzia bag. Isn't that so pretty? And I will say, I did not pay for speedy shipping, but this got here quickly. Yay! Okay, there's some fun stuff in here. Okay, it's polyester and wool, but I got this black baseball cap for the winter. Love it. I don't necessarily like baseball caps when my hair's fixed like this. I like it when it's time to wear a baseball cap. You know, like when your hair's just kind of messy and older and you might need to wash it. To me, that's when baseball caps look the best, or with a ponytail. But look at how fabulous that is. And I think this is really good. You know, if you wear hats, you know what I mean. This is a good one. Then I got a couple of belts. I got this one because it's just a good, classy, I love like that and that. A good, classy black belt. I got the small, so this isn't going to be a denim belt for me. I think this is going to be more like with that skirt or the waistband. And then I went out on a limb with this one. It is just one of these, like the webbing belt. What size did I get in this? It's just their brand, but I love how adjustable these are. And sometimes I just don't want the belt look, but I need a belt. So I got this to try for that. Here we go. A good classic black hoodie sweatshirt, black on black. You don't want black with white tassels. That'll ruin the vibe. It's the TNA sweat fleece, cozy fleece, which meant I think mid-weight, and it's the boyfriend fit, which I kind of prefer because, you know, I like oversized, but there is a slimmer one that I will link down there too. This looks interesting. This is your go-to jacket. This is the one that you have, you don't even hang up, you just keep it put over a chair, kind of like I do my moto jackets a lot of times. It's a good fleece go-to jacket that still looks nice and stylish, and with it, like even the snaps are black. Love it. Let's see what it's called. Sunday Best. Oh, it's Polar Tech Thermal Pro. I told you they're from Canada, so their stuff is serious. When they do the warm weather stuff, this will be great for my walks, which have been so disrupted with the time change. I am having a hard time with that because I'm not going to be good to walk in the morning because I work. During the day, I do this, and I don't want to get all, you know, sweaty or whatever, and then it gets dark so early, so I'm still working that out. Yeah, I knew I had something good in here, something big. I felt like I had to get a sporty, I will say, what the heck, okay? I was gonna say, what the heck? I did not order something with a bunch of writing on the outside, but they have shipped this inside out. I was like, I don't think so. I feel like they're known for their puffer jackets and their coats. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry, but this isn't no BCBG thing here. And it's got this with a thumb hole. This is kind of a you get what you pay for type thing, I can tell. It is nice. And they come in all different colors and lengths and everything. I feel pretty certain I'm gonna keep this. I don't know when my next ski trip is since I've never been on one, but who knows? You just never know about me. I'll surprise you. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's almost like a rain jacket. I love that. I think that is just like the coolest feature. And then it does have the hood. The hood zips off. That is cool. I am going to be ready for any cool weather that may come my way here in coastal North Carolina. Wowza, we do get cold sometimes, especially like in January and February. But like I said, I'm gonna be traveling some this year. So I may take this with me, or I'd probably be wearing it on the plane. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found something that you loved. Let me know any other stores or websites down below that you'd like for me to check out and find the things that I think we would like. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.